Hey, guys, I need a catchphrase. And also, I need to show you how to pixelify. Otherwise known to normal people, pixelize your pixel people. So first thing you need to do is convert it to vector. Then make it smaller. Make this part bigger. And then pixelized. But also, if you were to make it bigger, pixelized. In fact, it might even be better like this, Like you spend your whole life doing something one way, and then on a blooper take of a YouTube video, find out you can do it better a different way. But the only problem I have with this is the black dots. So I'm gonna say there's two ways to pixelize it. Also, trust me, this only works with pixel art you make on Scratch. For some reason, this said blooper reel. It was a blooper because I tried other stuff on it. Is this even? No, it's not good. That's fine. Also, gonna throw in a cool trick. You get something. You get tiny dot. And you use this code. You can get as big as you want. But with these things, when you try making it too big, it just breaks. That's actually how big you can get it, not literally as big as you want. I need to fix what I just did. Okay, that's my tutorial for today. There isn't really much to talk about. Could have thrown this into the last video. Didn't feel like it. And it's a good thing I didn't, because then I can foreshadow the next episode, because last time I did not know how to make the background. Next time I'm going to give you that frame. It's just the right dimensions for this. So, until next time.